एक नया दिन और एक नई वीडियो के साथ हम आ पहुंचे हैं नोएडा के एक बहुत ही फेमस कैंपस में, जिसमें हर साल बहुत सारे बच्चे अप्लाई करते हैं क्योंकि आप सभी के हमारे पास बहुत सारे सवाल आते हैं इस कैंपस को लेके। तो शिक्षा नर्ड आ पहुंचा है जयपुरिया नोएडा कैंपस में। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं जयपुरिया के प्रीमियम पीजीडीएम प्रोग्राम के बारे में और देने वाले हैं आपको सारी जानकारी जो आपको 2026 में आगे बढ़ने में मदद करे। तो बिना देरी के शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो और देते हैं आप सभी को पूरी जानकारी।
So hello you all, we have a student here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, myself Rishabh Brewer, and I'm a first year at Jaipur Institute of Management, Noida.
Okay, so Rishabh, I have one question for you. How would you describe your campus life here in Jaipuria Institute of Management?
Life at Jaipuria is a mixture of everything, like academics, events, competition, AI, professor के साथ interaction, दोस्तों के साथ मस्ती, and sometimes if class get cancelled, हम tuck shop और canteen में मिलते हैं.
Okay, so do you guys enjoy it?
Yeah, very much. It's a compact and mixture of everything.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so students, we have another student here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Vivek Bharadwaj and I'm a first year student at Jaipur Institute of Management, Noida, and I'm pursuing my PGDM in finance.
Okay, so can you please tell us what specialization are you going to choose and why would you choose it?
As I just mentioned that I am a PGDM student and opting finance as my specialization. The main reason for selecting finance as my specialization was that I want to understand how the money flows in business and what makes a business thrive and how the finances work around a particular business. And also मेरा जो मेन मोटिव एक और ये भी रहा फाइनेंस को लेने का, वो ये था कि मुझे नंबर्स बहुत पसंद है
Okay.
एंड दैट टू बिग नंबर्स इंक्लूडिंग मनी एंड ऑल. सो उसके अराउंड कैसे बिजनेस मूव करता है और मैं कैसे अपना स्किल्स को और डेवलप कर सकता हूँ बीइंग अ एनालिस्ट और अ इंटरप्रेटर एनीथिंग. सो उसी वजह से मैं अपनी नॉलेज को और गेन करने के लिए फाइनेंस की तरफ मूव कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now we have another student. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Upasna. I'm in PGDM first year student.
Okay, so Upasna, I have one question for you. How would you rate the faculty and teaching methodology in Jaipuria?
So the faculties over here are really great. They are very well educated.
Okay.
They are open to the new learnings and the outcomes. So we put our inputs everyday classes and then they are very open about it. We do the general discussions every day. We also have generative AI that is used in our daily curriculums as well. We have lots of interviews, mock PIs, so for the industry readiness. And the faculties really do take care of our upcoming future as well. They really encourage and boost us to ask open questions, and then we also have the live projects that are given to us.
Okay, that's nice. So students, we have Rakshit here. Rakshit, can you please give us a little introduction of yourself?
So I'm a first year at Jaipuria. I am in the PGDM core, and that's it.
Okay, so Rakshit, I have one question for you. आप किस तरह से बैलेंस करते हो अपनी डेली लाइफ यहाँ पर, मतलब क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट्स भी होते हैं और एकेडमिक्स भी हैं, तो हाउ डू यू बैलेंस ऑल ऑफ इट?
So in particularly, life is very hectic in PGDM, as we all know. But
Yeah.
the friends that I have made, actually I'm a hosteler. The friends that I have made are very helpful. Plus the cafeteria is a very good spot. It's open. It is open till 11,
Okay.
which gives us enough time to complete the projects. The teachers are very helpful.
Okay.
They help us in every step, in every manner. Ki where I am getting stuck, they will help me. And the friends, sometimes they finish the project early, so I copy off them.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so we have another student here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Himanshu Gupta. I am a student at Jaipuria Institute of Management, Noida. I'm in the first year.
Okay, so Himanshu, there are many B schools in this region.
Yeah.
So why did you choose Jaipuria for yourself?
Well, this is a very interesting question. Well, as we know that after our graduation, we all of us prepare for CAT and maths, NAP, and like all of them, I too did it. And while choosing a B school for me, myself, I was looking for two areas, Noida or Bangalore or Hyderabad. From Noida, I had two options, Symbiosis Noida and Jaipuria Noida.
Okay.
So it was quite confusion, we have to compare a lot of when you're selecting a B school. So while selecting the B school, I came across Jaipuria and strong alumni network, long heritage, and obviously 4 campuses, and their policy that is one Jaipuria, where the curriculum that they provide at all the 4 campuses is same, and they treat every student as equal,
Yeah.
and they provide various opportunities to each and every student, irrespective of their backgrounds, and they make sure that you are treated well,
Yeah.
and you get all the opportunities that is possible in their hands.
Okay, so are you satisfied with your decision?
Yeah, for now I am.
Okay, I hope that it's turned out good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we have another student here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Harshit Anand. I am the Vice President for the Media Relations Committee. I'm a second year PGDM student and currently I'm placed with Motilal Oswal as a Relationship Manager.
Okay, that's nice. So Harshit, I have one question for you. How active are the student clubs and committees here in Jaipuria Institute of Management?
I would say you can say they consist of almost 50% of our time or curriculum which we do here.
Okay.
Because clubs and committees are, we are in a PGDM program which is also not a program of completely in which we prefer only studying or to be in books.
Yeah.
So I believe that club and committees play here a very important role.
Okay.
We have a student excellence council here which acts as a, you can say, promoter for our overall growth.
Okay.
So there are different clubs which help us in different ways. Like there is a PlaceCom, there are Media Relations Club, then there is a Operations Club, Invictus Marketing Club, these different kind of clubs. So student work different kind of things there. We select them as junior coordinator.
Yeah.
Then they also take part in elections and then they eventually become senior coordinators or presidents and vice presidents of those clubs.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so students, we have another student here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Sonal Mehta. I'm in second year of my PGDM journey.
Okay, so Sonal, as you're in second year, I have one question for you. How does the faculty help you out in developing soft skills and leadership qualities in students?
Faculty definitely encourages you to build confidence and through presentations, group work and committees work, and that way we also learn how to develop our leadership skills. Of course, because we tend to as a leader we need to perform with our junior coordinators and with our senior coordinators, and apart from it we have also mentorship system where one student tends to get one mentor, one from faculty mentor and one from placement committee mentor. They guide you they give you the real world guidance and
so they are
develop
here
your
to
personal
help you
growth.
out.
Yeah,
And are you
definitely.
guys are you guys satisfied with the faculty and the teachers?
Yeah,
that you have?
definitely. They support you from the start to the end and after PGDM too.
Okay, that's good to know.